I just decided that I wanted to film today's Dollar Tree haul outside. It's just such a perfect day and I'm finding myself just wanting to be out here and not even wanting to go inside the house. So I was just like, you know what? Why not? I don't think it's that windy, so hopefully the audio is okay. If it's kind of a little off. So there's that. Got myself a little sun-kissed. It's getting warm in Florida. You know, Weekend at Bernie's is on, so let me take a sip. Oh, this reminds me of my childhood. Okay, so Dollar Tree haul time. Actually, I actually thought about making this live, like a YouTube live haul, but here we are. I actually have a lot of candy today, so, and as you can see, this bag's already open. This is the Haribo Easter one, so like if you really like this, I would get it, you know, before Easter's out. But I don't know how their gummies just like taste different, but they do. And this Happy Hopper ones is one of my favorites. I also got Sour Kicks. I've never seen this, so this is new to Dollar Tree. I've never tried it, so I'm gonna do a taste test. Let's see. It's like a little shoe. It's supposed to be sour. I swear nobody makes gummies like they do, in my opinion. They're the best. I also found, I should finish chewing this, huh? What's this? Do I edit? Do I not? Do I talk with my mouth full? Look at the golfers. You single? No? No. Had to shoot my shot, you know? Then I found a bag of Mentos, like individually wrapped. I really like that. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree either. I don't know. Then I picked up Coastal Bay. Why do I feel like maybe I just haven't been paying attention to like their candies, but Coastal Bay is a brand that's at Dollar Tree, but it actually comes out of their warehouse. And these are just individual mints. I just want to start putting some in the car and like in my purse. So I got those. Alright, then I found that Warheads is doing a collab with Laffy Taffy. I was like, wait a minute. So let's try it. I'm not a sour girl. Like, I've done Warheads before, like growing up, but did I like it? Let's go for the one that looks like green apple. But yeah, I wonder if there's jokes on here. Made in Turkey. How are they gonna do Laffy Taffy and not, aren't they the one with the jokes? I'm so confused. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. That's really, I have to try this blue raspberry. The other one is watermelon. So we're just sitting here watching me eat. It's a mukbang, but that's crazy. This is crazy. Go get this. Okay, then I found, let me just see if anyone else is single while I chew. Then I found Sour Patch Peach. I mean, I just felt like I walked into this Dollar Tree and they just had a ton of new candy. So let's try this one too. So pretty. Y'all, 10 out of 10. Laffy Taffy, 11 out of 10. Sour Kicks, 10 out of 10. Then I saw these. I don't know why they ended up in my cart. I usually don't get stuff like this at Dollar Tree. Since 1930, Better Made. Never heard of that. Potato sticks, sweet barbecue flavor. pray for me. Maybe I can like pretend to choke and one of them will come over here and save me. I don't know, like I'll get their number or something. Why am I thinking that? Wait a damn minute. Okay, that's really good. That was the first bag. Now this is the second bag. A little bit of a smaller haul today. Ooh, I forgot I found all this. I grabbed another one of these cute little notebooks. I already like showed it in a previous haul. I just really liked the inside. I thought it was really cute. So I just wanted to get one more just in case like I never saw it again. And then, sorry, I was like looking at a text. And then sponges because I was out. I mean, at this point, I have like, this is probably like 15, 17 of how many I have of these, but I love them so much. Like I'm wearing this right here on my eyebrows. I'm obsessed. This is like my newest thing. I've literally had the same exact eyebrow routine for such a long time. And then I recently switched to this and like, I can't go back. This is the LA Colors brow pencil. I get it in the, I'm wearing dark brown, but they have soft brown, medium brown, black, so they got a lot of colors. I also found these. They're actually a no-go for me, but I wanted to haul them anyways just to like show you guys. I like them for the concept like of a gift basket, but just to kind of have, I don't know, there's just something about, it's like a little grocery list or like a shopping list. I would rather like be able to tear it and like take, I don't know, but they're cute. They're new. I'm just not sure like really how I feel about it, but to junk journal with these would be really cute. So there's that. I also found some new garden gloves and they are so pretty. This one has like tulips on it. These are brand new prints, and by the way, I'm obsessed with like the Dollar Tree gloves. I use them for just gardening. I always have. Yeah, sometimes things can get through. They're not like, you know, so if you're dealing with like thorns, but like with pulling weeds, these I find tend to work great. Look how gorgeous. Gift basket for spring. This one's probably my favorite, but something about the yellow and the cherries is taking me out. Like, can you just imagine like a gift basket for somebody's home with this like color theme and these on it? Cute. All right, then I also found this book, which came from Target. I'm looking because like the golfers are staring at me. The Protector. She's getting carried. What happened? Oh, a daddy's girl with a large bank account. Wouldn't know. Jake Sharp. Okay. He's in a personal hell. Good combo. Women and Jake don't mix well. What's going on here, Jake? That doesn't add up. I guess he gets paid to protect her. So maybe he's like a bodyguard. I don't know, but I'm gonna read it. Found it at Dollar Tree. And then I found this. So see, like I prefer this list, and it has a magnet so like you can put it on your fridge. I love the colors. I also like that I can work with this from junk journaling. Like I can cut each day if I wanted to, and it doesn't even have to like mean Tuesday or Thursday. Like it could just mean something else, you know? So I thought this was really cute. I also found these. What are they technically? Oh, they're flip-flop accessories, but you could definitely junk journal with these. But like how cute. These are brand new. So love those. Could turn those like into paper clips. And oh, here's another one. Little heart. Super cute. And going to end it with some cards. This card right here is absolutely precious. I'm gonna go get another one. I think the baby chicks are just making it for me, and the purple sparkly bow, that's adorable. So, and if you're new, I love journaling with cards. I've used them for like advent calendars. Look how cute this is. They have like a whole St. Patty's Day thing going on too right now. So I got that one. All right, let's break this one down. All right. If you stare for a long time, Eventually, you'll see the leprechaun hiding in this picture. Go ahead. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, so there's no leprechaun, but wasn't it fun? All right. Then I found this one. Now this one actually made me cackle in the store. I sometimes will find cards that Dollar Tree labels as funny and I bring them to you guys, and I've never found them funny. This one, I don't know why. I cackled in the store, maybe I won't now, but it says, "Happy birthday to someone who knows that money talks." And then when you open it, it's really quiet in here, isn't it? I don't know why that's funny to me. It's supposed to be like a money card. They didn't even give you like a slot for it. It's pretty savage. And then this card made a comeback. I did something with this card. I don't remember what I did. Was it like a care package for my daughter maybe? And you guys went wild for this card. So I wanted you guys to see that she's back. She's back. She's gorgeous. Yes, it says for a special girl. You could always cover that up with something else easily if you want to, I don't know, make it more usable for you, but she's back. So there's that. And that's actually the entire haul. I hope you guys liked this little sit down. I brought just like my smaller tripod, so that's why I'm kind of like hunched over. But the candy, those potato chips, you go to Dollar Tree right now. And I want you to try them because I'm shook. I'm properly shook. As a matter of fact, when I put them in my cart, I was like, I'm gonna do a taste test. I know it's gonna be disgusting. Nope. 10 out of 10. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys next time.